Good morning, students. So in the last video we have started the word problem, right, for linear equation in two variable. In that video you have studied the how to frame the equation, right. In this video we are going to start the factor set 1.5. okay, this exercise is fully word with the word problem. Now see the first question. Two numbers differ by 3. Sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19, right. It means you have to assume two variables. In that you have to mention which one is greater and which one is smaller. So first step is you have to assume the numbers, that your greater number, this is how you are going to write, let the greater number be x, right, and smaller number y. Now see the first condition. Two number differ by 3. Differ means difference. Difference means you have to do the subtraction. The answer is plus 3. It means you have to subtract y from x. So from first condition, this is the first condition. We are getting x minus y is equals to 3. So this is your equation number 1, right. Now see the second condition. The sum means addition, sum of twice the smaller number. Which one is the smaller? Y. So twice means multiplication, 2 into y, and thrice the greater number means 3 into x, right. Sum means addition, so your second equation will be 3x plus 2y is means equal 19, equals to 19. So from second condition you are getting 3x plus twice the smaller number, and sum of this is 19, which is equals to 19. This is your equation number 2, right. Now you can see here the sign of y variable is, one is plus and another one is minus. So you can make the coefficient of y variable same. So you have to multiply the equation number 1 by 2. Okay. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So you are going to get 2x minus 2y is equals to 6. So this is your equation number 3. Now what you have to do? You have to do the addition of equation number 3 and 2. Adding equation 2 and 3. Right? So 3x plus 2y is equals to 19 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 6. So here you will get plus minus minus, so this is going to cancel and you will get 3 plus 2 is 5x is equals to 19 plus 6 is 25. So therefore your x value is 25 upon 5 and x is equals to 5. Clear? And next you have to substitute the value of x in equation number 1. So substituting x is equals to 5 in equation 1, right. So you will get 5 minus y is equals to 3. Shift, you will get 5, shift 3 over here, you will get minus 3, and minus 5 will shift over here, it will turn into a positive and you will get y is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2, right. So your greater number is 5 and smaller number is y 2. Clear? So these are your number, right. Greater number greater number is 5 and smaller number is 2. Okay. Now in the second question, it's kind of activity. They have already given you the equation, right? So you can do it. Now we'll solve the question number 3 of the exercise. Now see what is given in the question number 3. The sum of father's age. See the question number 3. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. So this is the question. Sum of the father age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present age. So first we have to assume the present age of father is x and present age of son is y. So how you are going to write? Let the present age x. Okay, so present age of father is x and son is y years. So according to first condition, from first condition, the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son. So your first equation will be x plus twice the son age means 2y is 70. So this is your equation number 1. Okay. Second, if we double the age of father, double means you have to multiply by the 2. So you will get the 2x and add it to the age of his son means y. So your second equation will be 2x plus y is equals to 95. From second condition, the second equation will be 2x plus y is equals to 95. This is your equation number 2. Right? Now you can make the coefficient of any variable same, right? So here we are going to make the coefficient of x variable same. So we are going to multiply equation 1 by 2. So what you will get? 2x plus 4y is equals to 140. This is your equation number 3. Now you have to do the subtraction. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So what you will get? 2x plus 4y is equals to 140. Subtraction 2x plus y is equals to 95. You know, whenever you are doing the subtraction, it will change the sign of second equation. Minus plus minus, minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Plus minus cancel, and here you will get 3y. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3y, and here you will get 4. Right, 3 will go in the denominator, it will divide the 45, and you will get y is equals to 15. Okay, 3 ones are 3, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. So your y is 15, and again you have to substitute this value in any equation, or you have to find the value of x. So we are going to substitute y value in equation number 1. Okay, put y is equals to 15 in equation 1. What you will get? X plus 2 into 15 is equals to 70. 15 2s are 30. X plus 30 is equals to 70. Shift 30 over here. You will get x is equals to 70 minus 30. 70 minus 30 is 40. So your x value is 40. It means present age of father is 40 years and present age of son is 15 years. Okay. Therefore, present, this is how you are going to write the last statement. Present age of father is 40 years and son 15 years. Okay, I hope you understand these two questions.